Here we are on Moody 44, listed with Boatshed Portsmouth. Just walking through the interior. And the saloon here. Saloon table folds out, as you'll see on the pictures. Just looking at the forepeak. 2 armchair style seats on the starboard side with TV. I'll just take you through to the crew double bunk cabin. And then through to the forepeak. Lots of space and lots of storage space. Again, the nice wood. You can see the cabin heating there. I'll just point you in this direction towards the ensuite heads to the forepeak cabin, which also has a door access from the saloon, which I'll just show you. Now pointing aft again into the saloon, and here's the saloon access to the heads. I'll just take you along the port side with the chart table midships. Just looking aft, spinning around to see the switch panel, chart table and nav equipment. Nice comfy nav seat. I'll just take you into the aft cabin. You can see the aft cabin, cupboards and drawers, lots of space, access to the engine behind those 2 doors. They're currently open. I'll just walk you through into the aft cabin. Lots of space. Just spinning round, you can see the access to the ensuite, vanity mirror and area, and then looking forwards into the saloon. I'll just take you through the ensuite. And into the galley. And back into the saloon.